You are finally here on our lesson 10. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the mindset shift from consumer to creator na kailangan alam na alam mo before you actually go to the war. Sa pagbebenta-benta, sa pagkita ng 50K, 100K, ito yung pinakamahalagang part. Kasi alam mo ba, most people spend hours scrolling, buying, and watching sa mga ginagawa ng ibang tao online. But did you know, onti lang talaga yung mga tao na nagde-decide na mag-take ng step to become one of the creators. Hindi ka lang nagko-consume. Dapat ikaw mismo nagpo-provide ka, nagke-create ka, and people are consuming your creation. And yun yung pinaka-goal natin. Parang sabi nga nila, ang mundo ng pagnenegosyo para kang nasa laro. It's either you are the player or you are just watching the game. And the best part is actually you can be the player para kasali ka rin dun sa laro. Doon na pumapasok na there's a high chance that you can actually win. At doon na pumapasok yung pinaka-totoong shift na kailangan ng bawat tao, including you. Kasi alam mo ba, when you shift from consumer to creator, you stop waiting for opportunities because you start building them. Kapag ikaw na yung nagbe-build ng iba't ibang mga opportunities for yourself, doon na pumapasok na nagkakaroon ka ng improvement sa sarili mo, sa finances mo, sa kasiyahan mo, and sa peace of mind na meron ka. And ito yung isa sa mga signs. You actually begin asking different questions. Instead of asking sa sarili mo, what should I buy next? Napapatanong ka na, what can I create next? At doon na po pumapasok na an entrepreneur, a business owner, is actually born. Kapag isa ka sa mga tao nang iniisip mo, hanggang dito na lang ba ako? Feeling ko hindi talaga ako para sa pagiging empleyado habang buhay. I feel like meron talaga akong ibubuga. I feel like kaya ko ring ma-achieve yung ganun pero hindi ko alam kung paano. Kung may mga ganun kang thoughts, and you feel like kung ano yung situation na meron ka sa buhay mo ngayon ay hindi siya enough, that is one of the signs. You are actually born to be a business owner or an entrepreneur. Because you know what? Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect or sobrang maging expert para talagang makapagsimula ka. You just need to start even with one simple na digital file. At sabi ko nga, doon lang din ako nag-start. Nag-start lang ako sa isang file. Sinubukan ko kahit hindi ako sure kung ano yung gagawin. Walang nagga-guide sa akin. Wala akong pinanood na parang ganito na pinapanood mo ngayon. Lahat yon experiment lang on my own. And guess what? Nung hindi ko siya in-overthink kung mag-work ba siya sa akin, instead, ang inisip ko, paano ko siya mapapa-work sa akin? How can I make it work for me too? At doon na, mas naging maayos, mas naging flowy. Kahit hindi ako sure sa mangyayari, kahit feeling ko i-judge ako ng ibang tao, tinuloy ko pa rin siya. Because action creates clarity and clarity creates results. And alam mo ba, kung nakaabot ka dito, ibig sabihin lang nun, something inside of you is ready to rise. There's a greatness inside of you na noon pa man kinakatok ka na, palabasin mo na ako. And now na natutunan mo na ang about sa basics ng digital products, the next step is actually learning how to build your own system so that money can work for you. Hindi yung ikaw ang nag-work for money. And that is exactly what I teach sa aking full program. Ang aking pinaka-best offer na masasuggest at highly recommended ko ay yung aking VIP Club package. That is the step-by-step version of everything na narinig mo dito. And doon, provided ko na rin yung mga resellable products na almost worth 20,000 pesos, included na siya as a bonus doon sa VIP. And you know what? Yung VIP Club package na yon, it's a library of trainings since 2023. Yun ang mga naging reason. That package is the exact package kung bakit kumita ng 100,000 and milyon-milyon yung mga estudyante ko for the past 2 years. Now, which is very available para sa'yo na matutunan mo rin as soon as possible na magtitake ka ng action. If you are ready to create your first real digital product and sell it online, you will love the next level. If feeling mo you are being called to at sinasabi ng intuition at ng gut mo na this is really for you, gusto ko to, I am willing, at seryoso ka na matutunan ang pinaka-complete step-by-step process and details, all you need to do is update me on our conversation na natapos mo na tong course na to and gusto mong malaman ano yung pinaka-complete details ng VIP Club package, Miss Kat, para makapag-decide ako if gusto ko ba talagang seryosohin at mag-take action at masimulan ko itong digital product business na to. So you can message me here on my Facebook, 140k followers and counting, at yung aking Instagram, at ito yung aking pangalawang Instagram, lahat po ng yan meta verified po sila. Ibig sabihin meron po silang check. Make sure mo tamang account ko ang kakausapin mo. And finally, nakumpleto mo na ang Digital Product Secrets 101. Ngayon, naintindihan mo na what digital products are, why they work in this generation, how to create, design, and sell, and how to think like a real creator. All you need to do is malaman mo yung pinaka-exact blueprint and system paano ka mas makakapag-execute ng mas mabilis. And the key to that is to actually know yung pinaka-complete details ng VIP Club package. Kung ngayon, nakikinig ka sa akin, nafe-feel mo na sobrang swak sa'yo to, again, don't forget, message me on my Facebook or my Instagram. You can screenshot this, i-message mo na ako saan tayo may conversation, and I will send you the exclusive na video all about explaining specifically yung mga talagang details ng VIP Club package at gaano kalaki ang pwede mong kitain. Sobrang sulit ng VIP Club package actually kasi again, lifetime access po siya. May mga products na resellable doon pero at the same time, matututunan mo kung paano ka makakapag-create ng own product mo. Ibig sabihin, kung maraming mga products na included doon, pwede mo na siyang simulan i-resell on the spot habang ginagawa mo yung product mo, or kung wala ka pang plano gumawa ng own product mo, pwede mo nang i-rebrand at i-resell yung mga included na products sa VIP Club. So, as you can see, ilan to sa mga feedback ng mga VIP Club members. At nakalagay nga dito, happy to be part of KM Creatives and the VIP Club members. Super duper 1,000 times ang binalik sa akin. Thank you so much, Mima. And you will see here 300k in 19 days. Lahat po ng yan. Mga totoong tao po yan. Mga totoong result po yan. Meron pa nga dito 20 years old pero nakuha 100k sa isang buwan. As you can see, lahat po ng yan very possible sa'yo. Basta alam mo lang yung pinaka-exact blueprint and mga gagawin mo for you to actually do this business properly. And alam mo ba, itong buong course na pinanood mo, pwede mo na siyang i-apply on your own, mag-isa. You don't need to proceed sa VIP Club package. Hindi mo na kailangan alamin yung details niya. Kaya nga lang, yung disadvantage noon, baka mahirapan ka. Magte-take ka pa ng mas maraming time, baka magsayang ka pa ng panahon, magsayang ka pa ng pera at ng oras, imbes na mas mabilis mo siyang ma-execute at makapag-take action ng mas specific. So, again, if you are ready to level up at nararamdaman mo na maybe itong VIP Club package na sinasabi ni Miss Kat ang solusyon sa lahat ng mga problemang meron ka, then message me on my Facebook and Instagram para ma-send ko sa'yo yung video explaining about the VIP Club. I-chat mo lang ako ng Miss Kat, tapos ko na yung course. Gusto ko pong malaman yung pinaka-complete details ng VIP Club package. Doon na, isisend ko na sa'yo yun. So again, screenshot this and message me right now habang nakikinig ka pa, and I will see you soon. Excited na rin ako sa resultang nag-aantay sa'yo because maybe, or just maybe, there is actually a reason why nakilala mo ako ngayong araw na to. Yun lang naman, and see you soon. Thank you so much for taking your time na matuto today with me. Bye!